What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is gonna be a short day in a life type video because it's already 11 in the afternoon and I've been crazy busy. So I just got like my new Arizona plates, new tabs, all of that stuff, and registration and those things changed over this morning, and that actually took a couple of hours. Kind of difficult process coming from another state. I am gonna go ahead and just get ready for the day real quick. I always use a new one of these, probably like 1 to 2 weeks. I'll switch out my little Real Technique spongy thing to put my foundation on. And that is because obviously I am acne prone and I have cystic acne, so I break out super easy, and I just try and do everything I can to lessen that. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put on a little e.l.f. primer. I'm not going to do like a full tutorial. I just popped on while I'm getting ready. I just popped on to say hi, and I'm just going to add some basic everyday mom makeup, a little foundation and mascara, not too much. So real quickly, these are the products that I just put on. These right here, and then I'm just gonna add in my mascara, which I know a lot of you guys have been asking for my mascara, and it is the this Tarte one here, which is pretty amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my new drink that I've been drinking. I actually have this product. It's by Organifi, and it was sent to me to test out, and I love it. It's a green juice right here. So it's a superfood. It has coconut and ashwagandha infused. I don't know, but it's amazing. It's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and vegan. And this is amazing because it fits my keto diet lifestyle, because it is 4 grams of carbs, but then 4 fibers. So it's no carbs. I don't count it as carbs. And I've been drinking it, and the taste is not bad at all, because you guys, some green juices that I've drank to get the benefits of green juice have not been good. It tastes like a garden or powder. So this is the best flavor, the best one that I've actually tried, that I actually enjoy drinking. It has a little bit of a sweet taste, and I really like it. So I am going to make it. They actually gave me a coupon code for you guys. I think it's like 15% off. I will have that down below in the description box so you guys can go check them out. It even has a little bit of a mint taste too. It tastes really good, guys. So anyway, don't mind my messy house. We're gonna get things done, but I really wanna organize my cupboard I was telling you guys about. So let me show you what my cupboard looks like right now, and then I'll show you some of the organizers that I went ahead and picked up. Oh, that's bright. Sorry. Okay, so here's my kitchen. Where my stove is and everything. You guys know my kitchen. And then right here is the cupboard. It's just like right next to the window. This is where we keep all of like our activity things. Like we keep those things in there. This little flying helicopter thing. But look how messy it is. Play-Doh up there, and bubble machines this is like for outdoors and stuff. Bubble guns, a bunch of random candles. All these candles I probably should throw away. Except for, I don't know. And then we have like our floaties. We have like the sunscreen, so I don't forget to put that on her. This is our speaker that we listen to music by the pool outside because it's Bluetooth. And then all of like Ava's shovels, or this she plays in the sand because we have like a little sand pit out there, and she'll play with the sand. And then her markers and those things. And then we got some fall decorations. I don't know why. So I need to clean this area and organize it.
That's what you do. You just sit on these. What else do you do with the pool?
Oh my gosh, Shanam's clowning on us because we got these pool noodles for $1. I think that they're amazing.
What do you do? I think you just hit him.
Alright, so it's finally quiet in my house, you guys. So I went ahead and got this color, and I got this size and this size, which I don't even know if it's going to fit in the cupboard yet. I will show you guys in a minute. And then I got 2 of these. and I got 4 of this size. And you guys know I have my pantry and my linen closet upstairs in our room with all of these. So I have white upstairs, and then I have blue. Oh no, I have blue upstairs and I have white down here. So I'm a big fan of these Dollar Tree organizers, you guys. They're super cheap and they work. Oh my God. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start clearing out the cabinet and get this organization started. And you're gonna hear Remy in the background, you guys. So Remy actually just got neutered and he has a cone around him. So he is having a hard time, but it's been about a week. It'll be a week tomorrow, and he only has 1 more week to wear the cone, and it's been not good. Like, it stinks. We had to change the little wrap around his neck. I mean, it's just the cone of shame for sure.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid. Calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. We are green under the sun. We do our best to hide innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be.
All right, you guys, so I am all finished, and here is how it looks. So it is so much better than I had it before, obviously. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I put in everything. We'll go ahead and start with this one. And I love it that these actually fit in my cupboard, so that was super duper nice. Inside here, I'm keeping Ava's, all of her little coloring things. She has like these little pictures. She has actual activity books for summer because it's super hot here, so sometimes she just sits at the table and does these activities like painting, coloring, stickers. And then this actually goes to her toy that we keep here in the living room. It's a little like activity table, electronic activity table, and that's what this is, the extra activity. So I just keep that all in here. Or I plan to keep it all in here like this. In this container, I put all of like the bubble guns and that actual bubble machine. Her little shovels when she goes out and digs. And then the floaties for all of the kids. And just a random activity ball, I don't know. So this is eventually gonna go out in the yard. And this is that Bluetooth speaker, some things that we fly outside, a little helicopter, the fireworks or sparklers that we've been playing with every night. And then this I just brought in because it should be kept inside because it just melts when it's outside. But this we'll just bring out there in the evening for like mosquitoes. It's a mosquito repellent. And in here I actually have Ava's paints and color crayons and colored pencils, markers, and those things. Some sunscreen. We have more sunscreen, but I have to go find it. I think it's upstairs in the bathroom. So we have some sunscreen. We have some mosquito repellent. And we spray that like on our legs because our legs get bit here in Arizona. And then just a random brush just for like after the pool or something like that. And then diaper wipes just to wipe up messes. So that is all I have in there for now. I'll probably find some things around the house that I can kind of include there and keep it all in here for the rest of the summer.
You're not awake yet? That's okay. It's gonna happen, I promise. All right, and then go ahead and roll your arms forward into get the shoulders warmed up as well.
Did you have a good day at school? Is that the popsicle we made?
Mustache.
Mustache. All right. Whoop. There we go. Anyway, so we are back home at the house, and Ava, and she has her popsicle.
I eat the thing right here.
That's right. We just made these with the little Dollar Tree popsicle things that we got. But we're gonna put some mixed fruit in them next time. We have a big bag of mixed fruit and we will do that. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and hop online because I have to do a little bit of Beachbody work business because I just had someone sign up for a challenge pack so they can join the group and start their fitness journey. So I need to work on that. Yeah, is this for your pool? Oh, they can't see you. Yep. It's from the Dollar Tree. What'd you say?
It's clean as smell as a washing machine.
Whoa. We gotta clean it in the wash machine?
Yeah.
You gonna go swimming?
Yeah, it's clean.
Okay.
You like strawberries and cherries.
Ooh, yum. That smells good. All right, let's get ready to go swimming. Woo! Yay! Mom and Dad! Oh, you got a toy. What is this? Oh no, buddy. Poor guy. And Ava is swimming now. Are you paddling your legs?
Go on. Like a horse is easy. Daddy's on his too, look. Daddy's on his horse.
Good job, Ava. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let's go. 3.
Yes. Yes.
Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just close out the vlog for today because we're just gonna cook dinner and we are just going to wrap it up for the night. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs and Ava. And look at her. And then give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.